So on the workbench today we have Philips VCR. It's a hi-fi one. The model is VR502/05. Take it apart and give it a quick check over and clean if it needs it. There we go. Looks a bit dusty, but not too bad. I seem to remember that I replaced the battery in this. Yes, there's a little cell down here somewhere. There it is. Well, that still works. Might need to replace that again. That's a coin battery under there. I'll have to tidy it up a little bit, I think. Quite a few years ago when that was done. Right, so we'll get on with cleaning it now. From what I understand, the best way of cleaning heads is paper and then just move the head around. That's a little bit dirty. Cotton buds and clean up the capstan and rollers and stuff. There's a rubber roller here. Just gonna go around on that. A bit of IPA on this cotton bud. There's another one there. Take this motherboard out just to check what it looks like on the other side. There's the two caps on here. Can't see any that's leaked. None of them appear to be bulging. Both up. Second. So this is the board underneath. So I can't see any bad caps or anything. So it might be safe to turn on. Right, magic smoke test. Everything is all plugged in. Switch switch. Making a few noises. I haven't got anything on the display. Pressing the on button. Nothing is happening. When okay, just show you this. When I switch on the power, the head seems to move. It did do. Yeah, I can hear something. But I'm not getting a picture, and I'm not getting anything on the display, and it doesn't make any difference if I press the button or not. So I don't know what's causing that. I can hear a relay clicking, sounds like a relay. Well, I've had a bit of a fiddle and it seems to be working. Not a very good picture, but it's working. So, there you go. The auto tracking doesn't seem to want to work. But other than that, thank you for watching.